Hey, I'm listening to these old Christmas songs, so I'm just feeling good. I'm talking to trillions of people right now about this industry, about this market that I passionately love so much. This channel is going to be giving you so much love, so much information about how to win, how to be successful, how to be patient, how to love the market. You're going to make some mistakes, but guess what? It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to not get it right the first time, or even the second time, or even the third time. This market can have you on an emotional roller coaster. So I'm here to help you get off that roller coaster, to help you stay steady, to help you stay focused, to help you stay blessed in the spirit of love and receiving, okay? More you give, the more you receive. I'm gonna give to you right now, and you gonna give to other people as you continue getting this information. I want you guys to pass the word on to your cousin, to your family, to your friends, to your loved ones. I'm gonna be giving you different cryptos, different stocks, but like I said, I'm gonna talk to you about what successful investors do, okay? I'm gonna make trillions of different videos. So this is just one that you're gonna get a little bit of information on. But I also want to share with you guys a couple of books that I feel is good for your heart. It's good for your spirit. I'm educating my mind, my family. I'm watching Tony's Money Land talk about the markets. What you put in is what you get out. Always understand. It's been a couple of years where I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and start this channel so I can bless some people and talk to some people in a larger scale. Because I'm always talking to people in my vegan restaurants about this industry, what to do and what not to do. I'm talking to people at the gym. I'm up 5 o'clock in the morning at the gym by 5:30 in the morning every day. So anything you want to do as far as your mind and your body and taking care of yourself, you want to be consistent, you guys. Be faithful in what you want to accomplish in life. Whether you're feeding your mind, you feeding your spirit with positive information, and being around positive people that's going to give you positive things, that's going to encourage you, encourage your life, be part of your life to encourage your life. Whether it's family, friends, mate, you want to be a light to this world. But let me show y'all a few books. This particular book right here is called The Millionaire Next Door. Which one of y'all is gonna get so educated to where you gonna be that millionaire next door? I know I am, but do you know you are? Because you may want to get it. There's another one I want to show y'all right now. This one is called Happy Money. How many of you guys just happy? So check that out. On this channel, we want to educate the mind. We want to have fun while we making money. We want to help people while we making money. We want to always have something that we build in for the future. Let me tell you another book. This is called The Art of Spending Money. I've saved $1 million. I've saved $3. Just because you made a lot of money don't mean you keep a lot of money. I have so many friends that make 6 figures and they're broke. So it's not about how much money you make. It's about how much money you keep. Before we start, quick disclaimer. I gotta say this every single time I do these videos. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just how I understand the market. What separates successful investors from everyone else is not luck. That's for sure. It's not luck, it's not timing, none of that. This is not a race. This is not, we're not at the racetrack over here. All of you out there that cook, nobody wants to come home to a microwave dinner. But you don't want to rush into cooking. You really don't want to rush into anything when it comes to life, because you want to have patience and you want to do it with love. You want to know what you're going to do before it happens. You want to already have a plan. Write down at nighttime in a journal what 3 things I'm going to accomplish tomorrow. It makes your mind, your brain, everything so much clearer because you already have a plan for your day. You already have at least 3 goals you want to accomplish for the next day. So write it down. You want to be patient. You want to eat right. You want to exercise. You want to do all the right things to build your mind, to build your body, to accomplish your goals. So everybody have different goals. Anybody and everybody want a why when it comes to life and when it comes to why you get up in the morning and pushing yourself, because you have a plan. When I say noise, you will constantly hear what's happened with the tariffs, what Trump just said. There's a war coming, and through all of this noise, guess who's buying? The banks, the institutions. But guess what, you guys? Stay focused. Drown out the noise and stay focused. They don't chase predictions. Coin is going to 500,000. Bitcoin is at 90,000. It'll be $1 million in 5 years. So they don't chase predictions because so many different people is predicting everything. They predicting the weather. People predicting everything. So don't get caught up. I tell you, 5 years ago, somebody was telling me, oh yeah, Dogecoin is going to be $1 in 2 years. You see what I'm saying? So don't chase predictions. Everybody on the internet wants to guess the future. Everybody. The stock will explode. This coin is the next big thing. I want to know what big money is doing with their money, and then whatever they're doing, I'm going to do it. It's not reinventing the wheel. It's duplicating what big money is already doing. So that's why you got to do your research, know what you want to do, because you've been studying and researching. I got to make this a little bit faster because where I'm at, they're closing up on me. What assets stay strong under pressure? Tesla's built to win. NVIDIA's built to win. So you got certain companies, they're not going nowhere. Google, not going nowhere. But which companies keep executing? You got to know these things. The big money is buying quietly. They're not trying to be a fortune teller. They're trying to be a servant. Successful investors, they don't buy random. They don't do that. They build a structure, core assets, growth assets, experimental assets, just like the company does, like the Nike and all that kind of stuff. Most beginners treat their portfolio like a junk drawer or something. You don't want to do that. You want to take your portfolio serious. Whatever looks exciting gets tossed in there. No. A professional treats it like a machine. They understand the price is noisy, but value is quiet, okay? Big lesson right here. Price is loud, value whispers. Social media talks about price nonstop. Your screen flashes red and green. People scream about pumps and crashes, but value of the asset changes slowly. Is this the technology improving? Is this the company growing? Is this demand increasing? Is adoption rising? Price is always jumping around, so be patient. Let value show up. So it will eventually make that run. You just have to be patient and be in position to take profits once this all happens. They build habits, not hype. The average investor waits for excitement, big news, big moves, big trauma. Successful investors build habits. Invest it every week, every month, so they can automatically sell for them and make some money for the week, for the month, etc. Short-term investments. A schedule reviewing their positions, so they always viewing their positions as well. They got everything on schedule on all their different assets, crypto, stocks, everything. A written plan for when they buy or sell. They don't react to the market, they operate through it. Habits eventually beat almost everybody. They never risk their sleep. They don't lose sleep over this market because they understand they already do their homework before. If a position make you lose sleep, it's too big. You got to decrease that position. Stress leads to bad decisions. Bad decisions kill portfolios. The goal is not to feel brave. The goal is to feel balanced. When you sleep well, you think well. When you think well, you invest well. Simple as that. It's a powerful thing, right? They study themselves more than they study the market. This is the deepest one. The market tests your patience, fear, discipline, ego. The market test, it's going to test all that with you, okay? Most people don't lose money because the market is out here. They lose because they don't understand themselves. You got to know yourself. Successful investors know their weaknesses. They protect themselves from themselves. That's wisdom most beginners never reach. Final message. You don't need to be brilliant. You don't need to predict anything. You just need to think like a builder, period. Not a gambler. Make decisions with intention. Stay consistent, stay steady, stay observant, stay disciplined. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please tell everybody, hit the like, hit the subscribe. I can say that 1,000,000,000 times to you. Tell me in the comments, what are you going to be working on next time? Stay calm, stay focused, and build wisely. What people know me by and what I'm going to say to you is excellent, excellent, excellent. Until I see you again.